company for development activity. Actually, we know that there is the CI/CD. So if we want to know about the Jenkins, we have to know overview of the CI/CD, how the CI/CD process is working, continuous integration and continuous deployment. So for the basic understanding of Jenkins, I am going through there. So actually, for a company, there is the three team is working there: development and DevOps and QA. These three engineering teams working. And for the beginning, what the developers are doing, developers are doing the development, and after development, they push to the repository. And from the repository, the DevOps teams is getting the code, and after getting code, they are doing the building the code, and also doing the testing. Building and testing has been done through some of the some of the jobs. That jobs has been run in the, it can be by the few of the DevOps tools. One of this is Jenkins. So whenever we use the Jenkins, we can you do uh, Jenkins has some jobs. It will run for build and it will run for test. So this is total, can say the deploy. So the QA team, they will get after this from their repository, and they will do test there, and they will do their QA operations. But this process, actually build and test, is the CI, continuous integration, not yet the continuous deployment. So how the continuous deployment will work? It is actually continuous process. So build, for the build and test and deploy, there are some jobs, as well as there are some job after this is called the release. So once the release is been done together, then it will be the continuous deployment CD. So all has been done by some jobs, and this job we will do in the Jenkins CI and CD. So when it will do together, then it will be CD as well. So you can see, I think this is as the overview of the CI/CD and the Jenkins, and the basic operations what is happens in the Jenkins. It can be done by any CI/CD tools, but Jenkins is one of the reliable tool that will be used for the deploy and release, and whole this process is helpful for development, and as well as DevOps and QA team for the CI continuous operation of integration and deployment.